My name is Josh Sanchez. I work with Manage Mobile here in Placenta, California.
Can you talk a little bit about what Manage Mobile does and who they are?
So Manage Mobile is a mobile fleet maintenance and fleet maintenance management company. So we go out, we have our technicians go out on site to the client site and perform all of the inspections that are required by law, which in California here that's the 90-day bid inspections, and then the DOT inspections annually, and then oil changes, of course, which is the preventive maintenance side, and then any repairs that they would need as well.
Can you talk a little bit about your role at Manage Mobile?
Yeah, so my role now is I'm the logistics manager. So I'm in charge of our own fleet, parts, logistics for those parts, and also any facilities that we have. So we actually currently have 7 facilities here in California. We also have one in Vegas and one in Houston.
Yeah, congrats on the expansion.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Can you talk a little bit about how Manage Mobile uses GoShare to support your team in the field and in the office?
Yeah, absolutely. So GoShare has been fantastic for what we do because a lot of the times the technicians will go out to the client site, diagnose a truck, and then they'll run into a place where they need parts, right? So we have a couple of choices at that point. We can have the technician stop and run for the parts, or better yet, he can continue to work on the truck and have the parts delivered to him, which most dealers don't deliver directly to the site. So that's where GoShare comes in, right? GoShare, we order the parts, GoShare goes, picks it up at the vendor site and takes it directly to the client site and hands it directly to the tech so he can put it on the truck.
Yeah, it's a great use case. And ultimately, does that I assume saves you either time or money or both?
Yeah, I would say it'd be both. It's a service to the client as well, right? I would have to charge them to have my technician stop and go pick up the part. But if he can get the part while he's still working on the truck, they can actually have their truck quicker now because GoShare gave us the part in time when he needed it.
When a truck is down, a vehicle is down, getting it back up on the road and running as soon as possible is critical. You've used GoShare throughout California, and have you used it in some of the newer markets as well, like Las Vegas and Houston?
Yeah, every market that we're in, GoShare is helping us out there. So that's Houston, Vegas, Sacramento, San Diego, and then locally here in Southern California.
Excellent. Yeah, well, we're happy to be a part of it, and thank you for including us as part of the operation. Can you talk a little bit about, in your experience, like what is it about GoShare that you love, or like how does it help you in your job, make your job easier?
Well, I think the great thing about GoShare is, go back a little bit on what we used to do before GoShare came into the picture for us, is we had one parts runner, we'll call him, locally, and he would run all the parts. But one guy running parts for 12 techs just doesn't work. So GoShare is able to provide us with a pool of drivers, right, to go get it wherever we need. So if we need a part in Rialto, there's a driver close to Rialto that can go pick it up and take it to my technician. If we need it all the way down in LA, we have one in LA that can go pick it up. Requesting drivers as needed has been fantastic. Almost exclusively, we're using the online platform. A few of the coordinators may use on their phone, like the mobile app, but most everybody's using it online, right? They'll book it that way, and yeah, within maybe 10 minutes, we usually get a driver to pick it up, and then we go from there. But mostly online.
Yeah, that makes sense. What vehicle types are you normally requesting?
It's usually that mid-sized truck. I have used in the past the box truck and had good experiences with that actually when we're moving like big trailer doors. So I have used that a few times in the past.
Yeah, it's great. It's good to hear that you've kind of taken advantage of some of the variety of different vehicle types that we have. There's a lot of companies out there that offer similar services to GoShare, and maybe not exactly the same, but
yeah.
So why choose GoShare? What is it about GoShare that is good for you and for your business?
The ease of to set up each delivery is great, right? It's very easy to just input my couple addresses, a couple few notes, and then go from there. That part is fantastic. I have tried other delivery services and not had good luck with either the pool of drivers not being as big or the customer service not as good. Even the chat function in the online platform has been great. I've used that many times. Like, hey, something's happening, I need your help, and they look into it right away. So the response time is great.
Yeah, I'm really happy to hear that. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, we definitely take a lot of pride in providing a very high level of customer service, and it's good to hear that you've always been able to get your any issues that have popped up resolved quickly, and that the communication has been good. And yeah, I think it's great that you're using the online chat feature. That's definitely the fastest and easiest way to reach our team. And yeah, usually you'll get a response back from them in less than a minute.
It's been a great relationship for the past whatever 6 years. So as you guys continue to grow and improve, then we're going to grow and improve along with you.
We're honored to be a part of your journey and your growth plan as you expand into new cities and new locations. And if there's anything that we can do to support you, please let us know.